Hey, it's Lee from Amion, just illustrating how to do a person-specific day after rule. In your schedule, you want to click on the name of a service along the left. In the info box, choose the day after rules window, and in the case of what I'm about to build, I'm going to start with a clean slate, and I'm going to make no off rules, but some on rules. And the on rule is going to put a person on call twice in a row, but not just any person, as I've done here. Now call will be worked 2 days in a row. I'm going to make it a person-specific call row, which means I'm going to hold the control key on my keyboard and click call in that second slot here, meaning the day after the assignment. The rule writer opens up to an add-on rule, and my add-on rule is going to be to do with staff. I'm going to say that A. Campbell is the person that works 2 days in a row. Only A. Campbell, not anybody else. Now that this rule is in place, if I add A. Campbell, you'll see A. Campbell appear 2 assignments in a row. Now, if I need to add a third day, I can control click on the third day here. If I need somebody to work 3 days in a row, I can say that G. Pluto works 3 days in a row. Now I've got a couple different rules going here, but just to illustrate how they work, let's go to an empty spot on the schedule. If I apply, let's see, well, let's get rid of A. Campbell here so that she can work up here. If I assign A. Campbell, she works 2 days in a row. If I delete that and assign G. Pluto, who might not be available either, put G. Pluto back to being available. Now if I put G. Pluto on, G. Pluto works 3 days in a row, except for the fact that there is a rule about G. Pluto not working here. Oh, you know what I missed? I need to go back to my second rule, so control click on day after rule, the original day after rule, and say that G. Pluto works here as well. So G. Pluto works 2 days in a row, and also control click 3 days in a row. So now let's clear this out. If I assign A. Campbell here, she'll get 2 days in a row. If I delete her name out and I assign G. Pluto gets 3 days in a row. I hope that makes sense. I'll post this online, and please feel free to share it around.